welcome to the first of many videos in a very long journey. Moving day. It's actually not moving day. We're just packing.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's
like the way that we flow, like the way that we go. My love, I think I kinda, you know. So sorry, I haven't really been like talking or like explaining anything. So basically, I'm going to do a weekly moving vlog. It's just gonna be Sunday through Saturday. I'm just gonna film that week and put it all in one vlog. So today is Sunday the 6th. Who knows when this is gonna be out, which I say in a lot of videos. But we packed a lot of our stuff, most of our stuff, some of our stuff. Well, we sold our beds. We're getting new bed frames, but we have to take them apart. But now we have to clear everything. So yeah, I just wanted to explain everything that was going on, so I'm just showing a bunch of packing videos. Welcome to my closet. I kind of want to put a pee underneath the mattresses. Oh, I'm not sleeping good. No. Princess in the pee. Good morning. It's Monday, September 7th. Do things look different? Well, that's because they are. So yesterday we sold our bed frames. This is the setup for like the next 2 weeks. Look at all these boxes. Could you tell we're moving? Because I surely couldn't. Okay guys, so it is currently 4:10. There's a lot of things I have to pack because I haven't packed my fall decor yet, or pretty much anything on my vanity. I have to first clean my room because it's a bit of a mess. You know, it's a mess. Okay, so it's been a while, so I gotta hurry this up. Long story short, my camera is dying and my battery charger is at my grandparents', and I'm not gonna be at that house for a week. So now I'm going to have to film on my phone. That's nice. I'm mad that I forgot it. Like, I'm really mad at myself, but you know, it is what it is. I'll just deal with it. This is what we're working with right now. We have this box filled with a bunch of stuff, like a lot of stuff. There's still a lot more stuff we have to do. Okay, so it is currently Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday the something. I am currently packing my clothes. It's fun. Not really. I feel like those are too many clothes. Like, that's a pretty good pile of clothes. I have to go through all this and pick out only a few things. Today is Wednesday the 9th. It's like 4:30. I really have not done much today, but I'll update you guys on what I did yesterday because I don't think I did. I filled up my suitcase with a week's worth of clothes, well, probably like a week and a half, but I have all the clothes in here, even in here too. I am basically only bringing the suitcase and then fill this backpack up with like things for the car and things to do while we're in a hotel. Oh yeah, whenever we get to Florida on Saturday, we're going to be in a hotel for the weekend, and then we'll go like move in with our friends. I was not mad. I don't know why my face looked like that, but I'm very excited to go move in with my friends, so. I think that is all. I have to go now because I have a Wednesday night thing tonight. I gotta get ready for that. Alright, so it is the 10th of September, and as you saw, I finished school, and I also put on some leftover nails I had from my birthday. Because tonight I'm going to Cracker Barrel with my small group from church. I'm all ready for tonight. So I have on my yellow dress that you guys will have seen like everywhere. I have a few updates about moving. So on Friday, whenever we leave in the morning, we are going to go till we get to Lake something. It's not Lakeland. But once we get there, we're going to stay in a hotel overnight. The next morning, which will be Saturday morning, we'll probably leave around like 11, and then we'll drive to get to our next hotel for the weekend. We are staying at a hotel for Saturday through Monday, I think. Monday is when we're going to our friends. Guys, it is such an amazing hotel. It is so nice. It has a ginormous pool, a hot tub, the breakfast area. Holy crap. The breakfast area is amazing. It's so pretty. The hotel is so gorgeous, so nice. So I'm so excited. I said so a lot, but I'm so excited. I'm very excited to stay at that for the weekend. All right, guys, so it is currently Saturday the 12th. I noticed my little piece of hair and I'm really cringing, but please don't like point it out because I already did, so. I know I haven't vlogged like at all. Today I have to finish packing my room, like the entirety of my room. That's gonna be obnoxious. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is my room right now. It's gonna take forever to pack. Let's get started. This is the bag that I'm bringing everything into the car. So I'll have this bag and my suitcase. So I'm gonna pack everything that I can in my backpack. We have trash, we have a pack pile, we have a pile that's going in either my suitcase or my backpack, and we have a pile for my mom. Yeah, it's a lot, but we're doing it. It's fine. And I'm also currently trying to save the moving video that you guys should definitely go watch. Well, I mean, you already know that I'm moving, so. Anyway. Alright guys, so it is currently Sunday. Oops, I forgot to vlog yesterday. It looks a little better. I'll show you what it looks like. This is the stuff that I'm bringing. I also have my suitcase. I need to clean up a little bit, but it actually looks a lot cleaner now because yesterday it was like kind of like really messy. But I'm gonna end this vlog to start the next one. So make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you can become part of our royal family and also get to continue this moving vlog series with me. Yeah, I love you.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something